Okay, we continue setting camera and these three options. Parallelism means correcting the perspective. When you activate it, as you can see, all this line will be straight. You can use them in your project. Vignetting gives us a shadow border here. You can see. You can use in your rendering, for example. This is vignetting. Lens flare is going up. Oh, sorry. Going up. It's for sun rays. As you can see, this effect is lens flare. This effect. You can control amount of the lens flare by this slider. Okay. That's so easy. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.